What's going on, guys? So today we're in the Audi. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I already got a bunch of parts in for this thing. Obviously, we weren't gonna just leave it the way it is. Today we're gonna do the most important thing to any old car, and that, sorry for that little camera angle there, but that is upgrading the lights. These have halogens in them. And if you guys watch my last video of revealing this thing, I'll put a little thingy up here. If you want to watch that video, go ahead. But anyway, the headlights were like fogged over, you know, like really crappy. I sanded them down, made them a lot better, but they're still halogens, so they're still not bright. So here we have, obviously Lasfit, because I won't go with anything else. These are best LED lights you can get. Brightest. There's a link down below if you guys want to get your own. Anyways, headlights, and there's also a discount code down there too. And these are Switchback Fog Lights, so they'll be white or amber. Obviously, you know, you turn them on and then you can off and back on. It'll go to a different color. I don't know if we're gonna get to these today because I have to take the whole freaking front bumper off to do fog lights on this thing. So I don't know. I don't know if we'll get to that today. We might not. If not, then that'll be in the next video. But anyways, we're at least going to do the headlights today. And I also have the B7 Audis have fender lights. I'm not sure if any other ones do. I'm sure some of them do. But anyways, mine are the factory ones, and they are, there's a lot of moisture in them, and they're also halogens. So here we've got sequential LED ones. These are pretty easy to install. I'll probably do these first. The headlights are pretty easy to install as well. Uh-oh. That one probably won't work now. Anyways, I think I ordered these off Amazon. They're pretty cheap. But anyways, yeah, it just plugs in, just replaces, and they're obviously black because I don't like chrome or clear. Just the way I am. And eventually I'm gonna most likely paint the inside of these headlights. Like, I'll put them in the oven, crack them apart, paint them, all that good stuff, because I don't really like the way they look, and I don't really like any of the aftermarket, like, whole headlight. Yeah, I don't like any of them. So, oh, I just dropped it again. Now it definitely won't work. But anyway, so I gotta go over here to the barn real quick and grab some tools, and I'll be right back. We're probably gonna start with these fender lights. I don't know yet. Alright, so first things first, like I told you guys, mine are got moisture in there, and they're pretty yellow. I'll show you guys the headlights real quick. See how I cleaned them up. They're not as yellow as they were, but turn the four ways on and show you guys what these look like. They're just normal orange, amber, whatever color you want to call it. So, as you can see, they're just normal, and they're crappy. So I'm gonna change those right now. What you need is a screwdriver to pop these out. That's about it. Alright, so if you look at this one, how it has this little clip there, that's what you need to find and push it in, and it'll pop out on this one. So I'm gonna try to see what side that's on. I don't have a real screwdriver, I just have an adjustable one. Also, it's probably too thick. Yeah, I might just use my knife. That's probably too freaking thick too. So just stick her in there and try to find that push thing, like I said, and it should pop right out. I don't know if it's on that side or not. I don't think it is. I think I broke it, but oh well, we're replacing it anyway. Yep, I pushed on the wrong side. Go figure, right? So this is really simple. You just unplug it and plug the new one in. It's literally that simple. So I'm gonna try to unplug it with one hand here. You guys are gonna stare at absolutely nothing. literally just pull it out. There's the bulb. Pull that out. And then you have this. That's the socket that the bulb goes in. So as you can see on the new one, it has a plug. Literally just plugs in there. It says it's non-polarity, so it doesn't matter what way. You literally just push her in there. Like so, it's in there. And then you want to put, I don't know if you guys can see it, but on right here where my finger is, that clip, it goes in and then you push it over. So shove that back in there. Make sure you stick that side in there first, and then you can see this side. And it's in. That's literally it. It's in. And then you just rip that cover off of there, and you're done. So now I'll hit the 4-ways and we'll see what she looks like. Oh yeah, that's 10 times better. The smoked look to match the reflectors. Heck yeah, that's 10 times better. Alright, time lapse the other side because you guys don't really need to see it. Or I might just do it and not show you guys at all. Who knows? I don't know how much of that you guys saw, but second one's on. I had you guys way over there on the work truck. Anyways, if you were really paying attention and could see, my knife slipped and I fucking scratched the car. Whatever. Anyway, let's move on to the headlights. These are done. So much better. Alright, so we're going to start here on the driver's side. This is actually really simple. I apologize for the background noise of my neighbors riding a wagon or something down the street. Kids will be kids. Anyways, low beam's on the right side and your high beam's on the left side, and this is also where your city light is. I mean, the light comes on as a parking light, that which I have on because this one's out. So I tried pulling it out. I don't know if any of you guys know another trick. I literally like pulled as much as I could. I actually pulled on the wires too. And I had a buddy of mine who has very small hands, fingers, and he reached in through the high beam hole and like curled his finger and pushed in, and I cannot get that freaking light out. I have a replacement for it, just can't get it out. So if any of you guys know any tricks, let me know. So anyways, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up on this clip, actually push down, I'm sorry, push down on this top clip right here. And it literally just pops right out like that. Take that out of the way. And of course all these wires are really freaking brittle, just like the high beam ones were. I had to re-wrap a bunch of them. So you just pull it out, it literally just comes straight out. You don't have to turn it or nothing. See if you guys can see from here. Probably not, huh? Maybe. It's probably not a good idea, but whatever. Whoops. Just knocked you guys over. I got it, I just had to... Apparently, it doesn't matter how they go in. And I don't know how that is, so... Hopefully I can get this one back in with no freaking problems. So there's a plastic cap on there, you pull that off. And apparently I lined it right up perfect, so. Now let me show you guys what I was talking about, these wires. Bare right here, because the wiring is old. So I'm gonna grab some electrical tape because I'm not redoing this wiring today. Stand by. Actually couldn't find electrical tape, so I'm gonna try to put it in there without those wires touching. Wish me luck. Anyway, all you do is you plug this one in to the existing here, like so, and you're done. I'm gonna go turn the key on and make sure the export, put it back together. Alright, as you can tell, the fan's on, and heck yeah, it works. You guys are gonna have to wait till nighttime to see how bright they are, but I guarantee you 100 times better than this crap. And good. Alright, as you guys saw, it worked. So now I'm gonna nicely, neatly try to put this back in there. Yeah, and hope the wires don't touch. That's gonna be the hardest part. Guess I'll be the first to know, and you guys will be the second to know if burn my car down. Hopefully it'll blow a fuse before it catches on fire, but hey, who knows, you know? Really hard to tell. So, anyway. Yeah. Wish me luck on that, guys. I think I got it all in there without it touching. As you can see, cap's back on. Now let's see if it works. I ain't really got nowhere to set you guys for to look, but you might be able to see there. So there you go. Driver's side done. Passenger side, not yet. Alright, and just like that, I got them both done and put back together. Hopefully when I hit bumps, those wires don't touch, and yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. Got this low beam, the fender light over there, this low beam, and this fender light. So now, next clip will be at night, I guess. Alright, so I didn't really get any video driving at night, but I did take a picture. I'll insert that right now. And then here's this is just obviously the parking lights, and then that is the low beams, and the fog lights are on right now, but you can't tell because those are so freaking bright. I gotta get some high beams because these ones are still crappy, but as you can tell, they're a little off. I need to adjust them, but they're definitely better than the stupid halogens. As always, Lasfit.